Good afternoon, everybody. This is Priyakant from Fundamental Research Desk. We have recently come out with the cement earnings preview for the quarter 3 FY13. Basically, what has happened during this quarter is that we believe the cost escalation, particularly in terms of freight and power and fuel, the impact to played out fully in this quarter on a year-on-year when we compare. So, as a result, overall we expect most of the cement company to see a margin contraction in this quarter compared on a year-on-year basis. On the other hand, cement prices, if we look at corrected by 3 to 4% on a sequential basis, that has also resulted into some pressure on the revenue front. Now, overall, if you look at the Sharekhan Cement universe, we expect the earnings growth to decline by close to 23% on a year-on-year basis. And among the company-wise, if you look at just couple of companies like Shree Cement and Madras Cement are expected to post a positive growth. Now, in this also, Shree Cement positive growth is largely supported by the low base effect of the quarter 3 FY12, and in case of Madras Cement, the positive growth is supported by the robust volume growth of the company, which is because of the capacity addition commissioned in the past couple of quarters. So, apart from these two companies, other companies like Ultratech, Grasim, India Cement, Orient Paper and JP Associate are all expected to post a degrowth in its earning on a year-on-year basis. Now, if we look at the other parameter like the volume, this quarter normally the expectation is that the post-monsoon, the pickup in the infra activity which results in the better volume growth, but that has failed to meet the expectation, and as a result, what we expect is around 4.2% growth in the volume on an average of our Sharekhan Cement universe on a year-on-year basis. So, all in all, the volume is unlikely to drive the revenue of the companies, and we on the other hand, the realization front, as we discussed, that the sequentially corrected by 100 to 200 per ton basis for our coverage company, but still the average realization for quarter 3 is expected to be higher by 3 to 4% on a year-on-year basis. So, on an average, the revenue to grow by 8% for the our Sharekhan Cement universe for this quarter. This is on the earning expectation front, and on the particularly earning front, we expect Shree Cement and Madras Cement to post the positive volume growth, whereas other to post a degrowth in the earning. Thank you.